back to my channel. My name is Kenzie, and today we are doing another Raddish Kids. And happy Thanksgiving! Let's open it up. And we're doing a special Thanksgiving one. Hey. We got pumpkin cheesecake bars, and we got mac and cheese, and we got the Thanksgiving vegetables. We're gonna make spinach, carrots, and Brussels sprouts. This is our step-by-step instructions. Okay, let's get started. Come on, let's go. Here's the carrots. Wait, I'm out. We got frozen chopped spinach. This is the half and half. Okay, shopping's all done. First, I'm gonna make the spinach. First put it under hot water from the sink and put in the bowl like this. So we got Parmesan cheese, salt, and milk, and garlic powder. You're going to pour it in and mix it up. I'm going to try with the half and half. That's just a little bit. I'm going to do it now it's going to mix it up. Mix it up nice and good. You're going to pour your spinach into a dish like this. Now you take mozzarella cheese and sprinkle it all over the top. That's cooking, we're going to start the carrots. You take your carrots, you're going to peel them, and you're going to cut them in circles like this. You're going to pour the orange juice, salt, and butter all with the carrots. 7 minutes. When we take the lid off it, after 7 minutes, you cook for 15 minutes. Yeah. When your juices are done, it should turn into glaze, and it should look like this. And then you put your seasoning on. You put your thyme on. Sprinkle it on top and then show it. Now we're going to make our maple, bacon, Brussels sprouts. We're going to put oil and salt over your Brussels sprouts. Let's do it. Put your Brussels sprouts on. Make sure you arrange them with the flat sides down. Put them in the oven for 30 minutes. When your Brussels sprouts are done cooking, you put your bacon and your maple syrup in. All the stuff that I make, and we got my spinach, carrots, and my Brussels sprouts. Let's try them all. So this is just gonna take a little bite. That's yummy. That's good. This is the one like we started with. That one's not too bad. Carrot. Just one little carrot. I'm going to rank them to the best and not the best. So this one's the best and this one's the best. This one, not really. So thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy Thanksgiving. And that's the end.